Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a how to change the air filter on your Ford F-150. This is a 2018 ecoboost 3.5 liter. All of the air filters are the same for this generation of truck, so it doesn't matter the motor. The filter that you want to buy is this one here. It's the Motorcraft FA1883. See the link in the description for a link to this. But this is the factory one. You can get different ones, but this one's just a factory one, so it's a good one to just replace with. All right, open the driver's side door, and you're gonna pull this little handle right here. Pops the hood. We're gonna open the hood up. Okay, now that the hood's up, you just want to come up right from the D on the Ford, straight up. Underneath here, there's a little lever right here. You can feel it. Lift it up. So this is the lever that we're reaching for right here. If you can see, it's right above the D, so just remember that. That releases the hood. The hood's open. Our air filter's in this box right here. This is on the right side of the engine. There's just a couple clips that we undo, and we replace it. Don't let the dealer or the oil change place do this, guys. These filters are cheap. This is an extremely easy procedure to do yourself. Okay, so if we see here, there's a clip here. Just pull that back. Clip there, we pull that back, and then if you see, there's these tabs that lock under here, so these just push out. So see how I just push those out? So now that I push those out, bam, there's our air filter right there. Just pull that out. The last time I changed this, so I ride on my air filters, changed at 8,600 miles. I've got like 17,000 miles, so it's been about another 9,000 miles on top of that. So, I'd say every 8 to 12,000 miles you want to change. Okay, while you have your air filter out, one thing I like to check is just see how much dirt and debris is down inside the air box here. This is the stuff that doesn't get caught in the filter, just kind of falls down. So sometimes if I get really motivated, what I'll do, and I'll show you how I do this, I'll just get the vacuum out and I'll just suck this stuff out. That way it's clean for the new filter, and this stuff's not going to get sucked into the new filter. So I'm just getting my vacuum here. Just gonna turn it on and then just start sucking out of the air box. Okay, here's my old filter, here's my new one. My current mileage, 17,795 miles. So I'm just gonna swap this back in. Also, the reason I also like doing this is if you take this to a shop, let's say you go take it to get your oil changed somewhere, and you know how they always bring out a really dirty filter? Well, if the one they bring out doesn't have the writing on it, you know that they're trying to scam you by trying to bring you out a dirty old air filter. So that's the reason, and then also I like to know when it was changed last. So, around 10,000 miles, swap in. These things are cheap. Like I said, check out the link in the description. So now that we have our new filter here, we just drop it. Okay, it can only fit one way. It's not exactly square. So we dropped it in. Okay, we put this down. Now the key here is you want to put in this side is the facing. This is the windshield here. So what you want to do is you want to tilt this. You want to tilt this down a little bit so that these notches line up to the grooves. Okay, I got the notches in the grooves. Now I can just come up here. Just snap my two little snaps up here. So this. I did that all one-handed, guys, because I'm holding the camera in the other hand, but two snaps here, pull it out from the groove, swap it. Okay, we can chuck this. What I always do as well is right now I'll order a new one, so that way I have a new one on hand for the next 10,000 miles, just so I don't, forget. I always like to have a one on my shelf, so that way I'm ready to change it out when I need to. Anyways, guys, that's how you change it out. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot.